Have you ever felt like you're leaving money on the table with your credit card? Like there's a secret handshake to unlocking truly epic rewards, and you're just not in on it? We've all been there. In a world overflowing with cashback credit cards, each promising to put more money back in your pocket, how do you actually choose the best one? Is it the card with the highest flat rate? The one with rotating categories that keep you on your toes? Or perhaps a card that ties directly into your investment strategy, offering a unique twist on how you earn and grow your money? Today, we're diving deep into that very question, pitting a fascinating contender, the M1 Rewards card, against some of the most popular and established cashback cards on the market. We're going beyond the flashy sign-up bonuses and diving into the nitty-gritty of how these cards truly perform for your spending habits. Because let's be honest, the best credit card isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. It's a highly personal choice, influenced by how you spend, how you save, and what your financial goals truly are. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of whether the M1 Rewards card deserves a spot in your wallet, or if another cashback champion is a better fit for your financial playbook. Let's start by demystifying the M1 Rewards card, also known as the Owner's Rewards card by M1. This isn't your typical run-of-the-mill cashback card. M1 Finance is primarily known as an investment platform, and their credit card is designed to seamlessly integrate with that ecosystem. The core appeal lies in its tiered reward structure, offering elevated cashback at select brands where M1 has what they call Owner's Rewards. This means you can earn anywhere from 2.5%, 5%, or even a whopping 10% cash back at specific merchants. For all other purchases, you'll earn a standard 1.5% cashback. Now, that 10% cashback sounds incredibly enticing, right? But here's the catch, and it's a significant one: the elevated rewards are tied to a relatively limited list of participating brands. These include popular names like Adobe, AMC, Netflix, and Spotify at the 10% tier, Chewy, Chipotle, Domino's, McDonald's, Portillo's, Shake Shack, and Starbucks at 5%, and Apple, BP, Chevron, DoorDash, ExxonMobil, Home Depot, Lowe's, Lyft, Target, Sweet Green, Uber, Uber Eats, and Walgreens at 2.5%. The list can change, so it's crucial to check M1's current list of Owner's Rewards brands to see if your favorite merchants are included. Another key feature that sets the M1 Rewards card apart is how you receive your rewards. Instead of a statement credit or a direct deposit to your bank account, your cashback earnings are automatically deposited into your M1 Invest or M1 Spend account. For those who are already actively investing with M1, this is a huge perk. It allows for effortless reinvestment of your cashback, potentially compounding your returns over time. Imagine getting 10% back on your Netflix subscription and having that money immediately put to work in your investment portfolio. That's a pretty powerful concept for long-term wealth building. However, there's a crucial limitation to be aware of: all eligible Owner's Rewards and Standard Rewards are subject to a maximum aggregate award amount of $200 per calendar month. This means if you're a super high spender, especially on those 10% or 5% categories, you'll hit that cap relatively quickly. Any spending beyond that limit will still earn 1.5% cashback, but you won't get the elevated rates. This cap is a significant consideration, especially when comparing it to other cashback cards that offer unlimited earning potential. So, who is the M1 Rewards card truly best for? It's ideal for existing M1 Finance users who want to seamlessly integrate their spending with their investing. If you frequently shop at the specific Owner's Rewards brands and are comfortable with the $200 monthly cashback cap, this card can offer exceptional value. The automatic reinvestment feature is a clear differentiator for those focused on growing their wealth passively. It's also a no annual fee card, which is always a plus. Now, let's pivot and look at the broader landscape of cashback credit cards. To truly determine the best, we need to categorize them based on their earning structures and how they might fit different spending profiles. We can broadly divide them into three main types: flat-rate cashback cards, tiered-rate cashback cards, and rotating category cashback cards. First, let's talk about flat-rate cashback cards. These are perhaps the simplest and most straightforward. They offer a single, consistent percentage of cashback on every single purchase, regardless of the spending category. No need to track categories, activate offers, or worry about caps, typically, though some might have very high caps. A prime example here is the Citi Double Cash Card. It offers a phenomenal 2% cashback on every purchase, 1% when you make the purchase and another 1% when you pay your bill. For sheer simplicity and consistent earning, it's incredibly hard to beat. There's no annual fee, and the earning is unlimited. This card is a fantastic choice for individuals who want a set-it-and-forget-it approach to cashback, or whose spending is widely diversified and doesn't concentrate heavily in any single category. Another strong contender in the flat rate category is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, which also offers an unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases. Similar to the Citi Double Cash, its strength lies in its simplicity and consistent high earning rate across the board. For those who prefer a single card for all their spending, these 2% flat rate cards are exceptionally compelling. Then we have tiered rate cashback cards. These cards offer different cashback percentages based on specific spending categories. For example, you might get 3% back on dining, 2% back on groceries, and 1% on everything else. These cards reward you for spending in certain areas that align with common household budgets. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is a popular example of a tiered rate card. It offers 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Travel, 3% cash back on drugstore purchases and dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services, and an unlimited 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. This card is excellent if your spending aligns with its bonus categories, especially dining and drugstores, while still offering a respectable base rate on everything else. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.